so we are back with another video, and in this video, we do a squared layer haircut. We take it square on the sides, square in the back, square at the top, then round off the corner to make sure that the hair flows smoothly and nicely all the way around the head. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you have any questions or comments, please don't forget to put them down in the comment section below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more great content. I want to thank you guys so very much again for watching. So in this haircut, we are going to do some square layers. Now, the very first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to section the top away from the side. So you can see I've just taken a section at the temple area, and I'm combing the top up and away because I'm going to execute the layers on the side first. So the very first thing I'm doing is I am taking a section over the ear, combing the hair straight out in a square shape, and cutting my first section in. Now, I'm simply working my way towards the front of the face, over directing that section to the previous section. So the very first section that I cut right over the ear was my guide for the entire haircut. And now that I've worked my way from the ear to the front, I am now going to work my way from the ear to the center back of the head. So as you can see, I'm now just working my way to the center back of my client's head, continuing to cut these square layers in. So now that I've completed the layers on the right side of the head, I am now working on the left side of the head. As you can see, I'm taking my very first section right above the ear again, and then I'm going to work my way forward towards the face, and then from there, I'm going to work from the ear towards the center back of the head and complete the layers on the sides and back, which of course then we will address the layers on the top of the head. completed the layers around the sides and back, I'm going to take a second to clean up and establish the outline around my client's head. So now it's time to cut the top of the head, and I'm taking sections from ear to ear, from side to side, combing the hair straight up, and I'm creating the length, the actual guide on the top of the head. So I'm going to cut some square layers up the top, and then I'm going to blend them in with the sides and back, which I've already finished. Okay, so now that the layers on the top are all complete, it is time to make sure that the layers on the sides and back blends in with the top. So I'm going to work my way around the head, just knocking off that little tiny bit of disconnection to make sure that it now flows evenly all the way around the head. Alright, so now it is time to cut the fringe / bang area. I'm just combing the hair straight down, just cutting the hair just above his eyes. We want to keep the front a little bit longer, but in the event my client goes swimming or the wind blows it, I don't want that hair coming down past his eyes. But now that I've completed cutting the layers on the top of the head and the sides and back, it is time to cross-check the haircut. So I am cross-checking the hair using vertical sections, and I'm working my way from the bottom of the hairline to the top of the head. Anytime you cross-check your haircut, you typically will take opposite sections from the sections that you originally used to cut the hair. So in this case, I cut the layers with vertical sections, which means I'm going to cross-check it with horizontal. we've come to the end of this square layered haircut. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, don't forget to put them down in the comment section below. And if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more great content. And I want to thank you guys so very much again for watching.